Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving LeetCode problem 3190, which is minimum operations to make all elements divisible by 3. So let's see what exactly question is. You are given an integer array nums. In one operation you can add or subtract 1 from any element of num. Return the minimum number of operations to make all the elements of num divisible by 3. So basically जैसे हम यहाँ example में देख सकते हैं, in the example we have in the first example we can see we have 1 2 3 4. Now what we have to do, we have to perform operations on these numbers, and यहाँ पर operation से मतलब है कि एक number पर let's say I have taken 1. So इस 1 से या तो मैं 1 माइनस कर सकता हूँ या इस 1 में मैं 1 ऐड कर सकता हूँ. And after doing any one of these activities I have to make this number, the final output, divisible by 3. So अगर मैं 1 को माइनस कर देता हूँ then it will become 0 and it will become divisible by 3. But अगर मैं 1 को ऐड कर देता हूँ तो ये divisible by 3 नहीं रहेगा. So I will not perform this operation, I will do this, and this will be count as one operation. In the same way I will take number 2. Now number 2 में मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, I can add 1 to number 2 and it will become 3, which is also divisible by 3. So this will be operation number 2. In case of 3 it is already divisible by 3, so we don't need to perform any operation. So इस वजह से इसका कोई count नहीं है, इसका operation count is 0. Now moving to the 4, what I can do in 4, I can subtract I can subtract 1 from 4 and I will get 3, which is also divisible by 3. So this is also considered as an operation. So total operations I have performed is 3 to make all the elements of nums array divisible by 3, and that is the final output. In the same way, we can look for the question number 2, example number 2. Let's see what it is. So in example number 2, we can see that we have 3, 6 and 9. अब इसमें भी अगर हम देखते हैं, so number 3 is already divisible by 3, 6 is also divisible by 3 and 9 is also divisible by 3. So because all the numbers are divisible by 3, so the count will be 0, means operations count will be 0. So let's see what is the output of that. So here we can see that output is 0. So yeah guys, this is how we have to solve this question. This question is very easy to solve. So let's write the logic. Okay guys, let's write the solution. We are gonna take ops variable as 0. By default operations का count 0 रहेगा. Further we are gonna write a for loop जिससे हमको एक एक करके nums array के अंदर से values मिलती जाएंगी. Further we have to check जो current value हमको मिली है nums array के अंदर से वो divisible है by 3 or not. So for that we are gonna write a condition, and अगर ये condition meet करती है that means हमको उस element पे operation perform करना पड़ेगा. अब वो operation कुछ भी हो सकता है, either we have to subtract 1 or we have to add 1, but हमको operation perform करना पड़ेगा. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम ops का count 1 से increase कर देंगे. So we will make here ops plus equals to 1. Otherwise we will not do anything, and finally in the last we will return the ops. Now let's run the logic and see is it working or not. Perfect. So we can see that our both the test cases are passed. Let's submit the solution. Okay guys, so we have successfully submitted our solution, and that is how we can solve this question. I hope you guys like the video. Now we will meet tomorrow with the new LeetCode question. Thank you.